Babe, how you doing? Can I know your name?
What for?
Babe, I can't lie to you, resemble my grandmama. Seriously.
Me? Resemble your grandmama? You resemble my grandmama.
Jesus!
Your face be like my grandmama.
Jesus!
I say make sense, rich, bulk is rich. You say I resemble your grandmama. You are mad.
Babe, I just want to take care of you for this December.
Take care of me! Guy, go and make money. If you want to take care of girls like me, you have to have money. Go and make money. You hear? Go and make money. You broke heart.
You don't mad? You don't know me for this area. What did you worry this guy said?
No, shut up. Shut up. With your baby, we never shift. You baby, waiting and don't know. You are mad. You are stupid. You have the right to drop my bag on the ground, eh? You are mad. All these stupid area boys, eh? You people are very stupid. You are mad. You cannot do more than a dead or you dirty and ugly thing. You are mad, stupid, all these stupid, useless.
What is it? What happened?
Who are you?
My name is Papaye.
Papaye, what should I use your name for? You are very stupid, you are mad. You are mad, all these useless, small boys. That's why you go around looking for
I'm just here to help
like
you, that's all.
What? Did you have to help me? You are mad. I said you are mad, you are very stupid.
Jesus!
Very stupid, you useless boy. You just came out here. What should I use the name for? Useless. Give me.
Hey! Nonsense. No give head. I dey try help you, you shot in the hand. Try be. No, go show you to tell no.
What I do? Who did that okay?